Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into what can only be described as the best flat iron grill available. The Royal Gourmet PD1301S Portable Gas Griddle. Let's get started. Now, if you're in the market for a portable grilling solution that doesn't compromise on performance or quality, look no further than the Royal Gourmet PD1301S. This sleek and stylish tabletop grill is perfect for any outdoor cooking adventure, whether you're camping, tailgating, or simply enjoying a backyard barbecue with friends and family. What sets the Royal Gourmet PD1301S apart from the competition? Well, let's start with its impressive cooking power. With 3 separately controlled burners delivering a total of 25,500 BTUs, this grill heats up fast and cooks food evenly and efficiently. But it's not just about power, it's also about convenience. The PD1301S features a spacious 319 square inch cooking surface, giving you plenty of room to grill up all your favorite foods. Plus, its portable design and quick assembly mean you can start cooking in no time, with minimal hassle. And when it comes to cleanup, the PD1301S makes it a breeze. Thanks to its removable and slide-out grease cup, collecting drippings and residues is easy and mess-free. Plus, the detachable griddle top makes cleaning up after use a cinch. So there you have it, folks. The Royal Gourmet PD1301S Portable Gas Griddle is simply the best flat iron grill on the market. With its powerful performance, convenient features, and easy cleanup, it's a must-have for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and happy grilling! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of top-notch products like this one. Until next time, happy grilling!